Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now, and if you have watched my yesterday's video on GBP JPY, then hopefully you know it very well that what I'm about to say. Because as you can clearly see that things have not changed much, because right now you can still see that market is not giving us any clear picture here after this huge fall, when market broke the dynamic support. So this level is no longer valid. So right now market is just consolidating. So if you are thinking that Avilas, you are saying the same stuff again, then just tell me one thing: do you see any trend here, or do you see any reason or any logic to execute the buy or sell order here? No. As we all know, the meaning of doji candles. You can see that we have dojis and spinning tops here. So dojis and spinning tops generally suggest indecision in the market. Indecision means there is still a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers. So as long as market is trading in this range 151.50 on the upside and 150.70 on the downside, we do not have any proper trend here. So if market breaks the level, starts going up, then we can think about going for a buy. If market starts trading comfortably above this level, then we'll get the confirmation that 151.50 is the new support for the market. And on the other hand, if market breaks the level, if market starts trading below 150.70 level, then we'll get the confirmation that at last market is going down, buyers have surrendered and sellers have taken control over the market. But as long as market is trading in this range, do not trade, because you can clearly see that there is no proper trend here. Just tell me one thing: do you think that this chart, these candles, deserves your hard-earned money? No, I don't think so. This chart does not deserve your hard-earned money. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, the Forex sentiment meter, you'll find it on my website avilashazarika.com under Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 43% traders have taken short position and 56% retail traders have taken short position. So this sentiment meter shows the sentiment of the retail traders. So retail traders are also kind of confused right now. They are also not sure in which direction market will move. And in a condition like this, where we do not have any clarity which pair to trade, my pro trader program comes into the scene. I have recently launched the Pro Trader program, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, please click on the Pro Trader option on my website avilashajaka.com. Okay, so probably you have understood that you don't need to do anything, just wait and watch. Wait for the market to give you a proper direction. As long as market is trading in this range, no need to trade. This is your no trading zone. Okay, so I'll be coming down tomorrow again and I'll tell you if market crosses the 151.50 or 150.70. Till then, take care, be safe, bye bye, see you tomorrow.